Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about the cultural differences and the similarities between India and France. So first I will talk about the cultural difference between India and France. India and France are different countries which differ in their geographical, cultural, traditional and political characteristics. India is officially known as Republic of India, whereas France is officially termed as French Republic. India is a country in South Asia and France lies in the western region of Europe. As a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic, India is the seventh largest nation in the world in geographical terms and the second most populous nation in the world. On the other hand, France is a unitary semi presidential republic. It is the largest state in the European Union and the third largest in Europe. While India has recognized Hindi and English as official languages, France has only recognized French as the official language. The state of France was formed in 1843 with the Treaty of Verdun. India is an Asian country and was colonized by the British, French, and Portuguese for an awfully long period. The country got its independence from the British on August 15, 1947. Another difference that can be seen is that France is a developed country whereas India is a developing country. When comparing their economies, France has a better economy than that of India. The national GDP of France is higher than that of national GDP of India. The name India has been derived from the word Indus, which has been adapted from the Sanskrit word Sindhu. Well, there are numerous theories about the origin of the word France. The word France is a term that has been coined from the Latin word Francia, which means land of Franks. It has also been said that France was derived from Francon, a Proto Germanic word. Well, France and India have many cultural differences. Unlike France, India has a cultural diversity, and the people are very much absorbed in traditional customs. In India, family values are greatly respected. Now, I will talk about cultural similarities between India and France. Family is a pillar of both Indian and French cultures. Ask anyone in both countries what they think is the most important thing in their life, and most of them will reply that their family is what they cherish the most. When looking at cultural values and social norms of India and France, one cannot but realize that these two countries have a lot more in common than other more important historic or economic partners of India. Despite the common history between the United Kingdom and the India and the new outsourcing wave coming from America, working with French people remains easier for a lot of Indian professionals. Hierarchy, relationship orientation, and indirectness in communication are just a few cultural dimensions on which both cultural groups share more similarities than with expected countries. Another important value that both countries have in common is social status and the inherent need for the visible hierarchy. Even though both countries were founded on an ideal of equality among its people, both French and Indian societies are naturally elitist. The third value that Indian and French people share is argumentation. Both peoples are traditionally highly argumentative and are undisciplined by other more complying cultures. The argumentative tradition is in both countries can be traced back to a long philosophical history that has left a mark on present society. While both the French and the Indian people are patriotic, they have vastly different ways of showing it. Economic nationalism as a sign of patriotism is common in both countries. As often as possible, the French will buy French products even though they can be more expensive, and Indians will buy Indian goods even though they might not always have the same quality and standards. Both countries' flags are called tricolor, but the sentiments attached to them are quite different. In France, flag waving is limited to major supporting successes of the national squads and is considered inappropriate, if not downright tinted, in any other cases. In India, the flag is one of the most sacred emblems of the nation. Government officials are the only one allowed to host it on national holidays like Independence Day or Republic Day. Thank you.